So over here, you can see that I have a table right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to display out the data from topic field, but I want the field name to be different, and same goes for the skill as well. So to type in an SQL query for that, I'm going to go to create and I'm going to click on query design, hit the SQL button right here. And then I'm going to type in select, and what I want to select right here is I want to select out topic. So I'm just going to go around and type in topic right here, just like this. So let me just keep it on the same line, and I want to display the topic as, so this is what I'm going to rename the field as, and I'm going to select the topic as, let's say for example, sub right here, just like this. Press enter, and I'm going to type in from. So where is this going to be from? This is going to be from the prices table, and I'm going to end this out with a semicolon. So once I do that, I'm going to go to query design and hit the run button, and over here you can see sub right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and type in subject right here. So let's go around and run, and now you can see that it has been changed into subject right here. So now I'm just going to go around into SQL view right here, and if I want to add in another layer, what I can do is I can add in a comma right here, and I want to select, let's say, skill data now. So I'm just going to type in skill, just like this, and this is going to be as S. So let me just go around over here and then run this, and you can see it has been changed into S right here. So let me just go around over here and say skill is going to be difficulty. So difficulty is going to be the new field name right here for that. So hit run, and you can see that now the skill is being displayed as difficulty, and topic is being displayed out as subject, as you can see right here. And that is how you can use aliases. That is, you can use as query inside of Microsoft Access. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.